Hey guys, here we are. New Year's Eve, the last of 2019. We're gonna do some street photography. Head out to our location to get the fireworks. Get ready. Okay, so I like the flippy screen because you can look down and then you can see what you're capturing. But yeah, see, like you gotta be bundled up, so I'm pretty well covered up because I gotta be waiting out here for an hour. And then they got all that closed off over there. That's where we're starting. But I'm gonna walk to my point where I made when I filmed the fireworks last year. Let's see what happens. You see, they got the ambulance there just in case. A lot of people have been drinking all day, so some people get sick, you know, or accidents can happen. That's another thing that can happen. So they got the ambulance at the ready. Let's try to get this guy that's sitting here as close as I can. Let's see what I can make happen here. Yeah, I don't know if I care for that shot. And here it goes right here. Oh, it's kind of loud right now. Look over there. So the thing about the 24 is you got to get like super close. So we got some time to kind of walk around and get some shots. Let's see what happens here. Another thing in these situations, it makes it a lot easier because obviously everybody's here to take photos and there's a lot of people, so it makes it a lot easier if you're trying to capture some street stuff. It makes it a lot easier to do that. Let's see if we can try to kind of get this here. That's kind of cool. If we go across the street, there's a lot. Man, I don't know if there's less or more people than last year. I have no idea. Oh. All right. So let's keep going. That's where all the fun is at. This is where all the fun is at right here. See, it's kind of tough with holding the action camera. Kind of tough to do, so I might put it away in just a few minutes. Oh, yeah. Here's another thing about Chicago is that people are just gonna, you know, they're just gonna walk even if it's a green light or a red light. They don't give a fuck. They'll just walk in front of cars, trying to make something interesting here. Let's see if I can get them right there. Well, I think that was good. Walking and taking photos. I see something over there. So you gotta keep your eyes open and see what we can make happen. Yeah, buddy. It's exciting, and look at all this here. A lot of opportunities here. See what we can make happen. All right. Just gotta cross fast. It's kind of crazy. Hopefully, don't get run over. Okay, let's see. boy. See, obviously everybody's like trying to get their spots. Okay. We're gonna go crossing a straight ahead. We're gonna go to the same place that we were last time, same spot. I think that was pretty good. Let's see. And another thing that I've been doing is just kind of hanging out and letting the people come. Trying to find the spots here. There you go. See, I like that bug. Now he moved. Oh, it's so icy. Look at all the ice. It's so icy over here. So icy. Looking for opportunity here. Look at that. That's interesting. So this is where they're going to be filming from. Right here. So I can get a shot of that. It's pretty good. Let's see. If I grab a spot now, I'll be standing there for like 45 minutes. I don't want to stand for 45 minutes. That's pretty good. Let's see. What else? What else can we do before I put the action camera away? Let's see. That's this whole area is like blocked off. But where I was standing last time was way further out, way past this building here. Let's see. Let's figure it out.
Where are they?
You know, I'm missing a lot of shots. I'm not even paying attention. I see everybody's getting their spots ready. Let's get this shot here. There we go. All right. Let's see. Let's see what else we can do here. Look at this. That's good. What can we do? All right. This one's an easy shot. I always take this shot. Easy. So you can get it sharper. Look for good characters. Let's see. Look for good opportunities. That's the thing, holding the action camera with one hand and trying to take pictures with the other. It's a little bit tough. I'm trying to focus it. I don't know if I got that one or not. Okay. See this girl with the champagne in her? That might be a good one, but I want her to turn around. Look at this. That one's really good. I like that one. Thank you, sir. All right. Let's see. All right, it's gonna cross. I have to go get my spot ready because otherwise you're gonna miss it. So. This is where I was last time, so should be just fine. But then I'm missing shots. But yeah, so I may want to just stand here or not. Let's see what happens. So this is where I was standing last time. I feel like I should grab my spot right now. Alright, I'm going to stop filming with the action camera now. Okay, so we're done here. Fucking amazing. 2020, here we are. Oh my god, I gotta make some more photos as we're leaving. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the fireworks. Oh, that's pretty good. So, lots of good opportunities right now to make some photographs. Take a look at all the smoke. Yeah, that was fantastic. Wow. We went a little longer this time with the fireworks. That's great. Last year I think it was like 5 minutes. We went like 2 more minutes extra, which is awesome. Check this out. But yeah, that was cool. Very exciting. Here we are. We're done. Opportunities to make some photographs. Oh, and I'm missing some crap. Perfect. Thank you, Chicago Police. Look at these guys here. Okay, my hands are getting cold though. Oh shit. See what else we can find. Let's make some pictures here. That's good. The problem is my hands are getting so cold right now. It's crazy. Let's see. Look. Oh, look at this here. Shot. Nice. So I'm trying to do is capture the ones which they could tell that there's like a festivity or, you know, New Year's Eve hats or something that they're wearing. Something fun. God damn. So, perfect opportunity. My hand's freezing right now. Oh, Jesus Christ. I gotta hit back though. Well, I got a lot of good footage already. A lot of good photos too. Don't be afraid to get in there. Oh, Jesus Christ. My hand's killing me. Yeah. As much as I would love to stay, there's a lot of opportunity. All right, are we done here? Oh, yeah, I think we're done here. think we're done. We're done here. Okay. So that was good. Okay, I'll wrap this up now. Thanks for checking out the photographs. Let me know which ones you guys liked. I know I'm all covered up and my face is covered. My hands are getting cold, but I did get a lot of good shots. So, alright, heading into 2020 strong. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.